Greetings from Intelligent Tech Agency. Today we're exploring the intriguing world of AI chatbots. These fascinating tools are not just a wave of the future, but a significant part of our present, transforming the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. AI chatbots, or artificial intelligence chatbots, are essentially software designed to simulate human-like conversations. They are powered by a combination of machine learning and natural language processing technologies, enabling them to understand, respond, and learn from the interactions they have with users. From managing customer queries to booking appointments to providing real-time assistance, these digital assistants are revolutionizing various industries. They're streamlining operations, enhancing customer engagement, and saving businesses significant time and money. Imagine, instead of waiting on hold for what feels like an eternity to speak with a customer service representative, you're immediately connected with an AI chatbot. It quickly understands your issue, provides a solution, or directs you to the appropriate human associate if needed. Frustration levels reduced, efficiency sky high. Not only are these AI chatbots improving customer service, they're also offering businesses a competitive edge. In a world where prompt and efficient customer service is highly valued, businesses equipped with AI chatbots are leading the race. But it's not just the corporate world that's benefiting. AI chatbots are also making waves in sectors like healthcare, where they're providing instant responses to patient queries, or in education, where they're aiding in personalized learning. In fact, their applications are so vast and varied, it would be hard to find an industry that couldn't benefit from integrating AI chatbots. They're changing the way we do business, the way we learn, and the way we live, and their influence is only set to grow. So let's dive deep into the mechanics of AI chatbots and see how you can create your own, because who knows, the next big revolution in your industry could be sparked by a chatbot that you bring to life. AI chatbots are more than just automated text responders. They're intelligent, adaptive, and capable of learning. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of how AI chatbots function. At the heart of it all are two core technologies: natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning. Imagine you're having a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. You'd need a translator to understand and respond, right? That's essentially what NLP does for chatbots. It's the translator between human language and computer language, allowing chatbots to understand our texts, tweets, and voice commands. NLP breaks down human language into smaller, understandable units, analyzes the context, identifies the intent, and then translates it into a format that a machine can understand. It's like cracking a code, but in reverse. But understanding alone isn't enough. To make the interaction more human-like, chatbots need to learn and adapt. This is where machine learning comes in. Through machine learning, chatbots can improve their responses over time, learning from past interactions just like we humans do. Let's say a chatbot misunderstands a user's request. When corrected, it doesn't just apologize and move on. It learns from that mistake, updating its understanding for future interactions. This is the essence of machine learning, learning from experience. Recent advancements in AI have significantly improved the efficiency of chatbots. For instance, the introduction of deep learning, a subset of machine learning, allows chatbots to understand complex patterns and make decisions with little human intervention. Imagine a chatbot that can not only book your flight tickets, but also suggest the best times to fly based on past travel patterns. That's the power of deep learning. In essence, chatbots are like digital apprentices, constantly learning and evolving, striving to understand and respond to us better. They're a blend of language understanding and learning capabilities backed up by cutting-edge AI technology. Now that we've seen how they operate, let's see how you can build your own AI chatbot. Creating your own AI chatbot might seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's quite achievable. The first step in this journey is to choose the right platform. There are several out there, but for today, let's focus on two popular ones: Dialogflow from Google and the Microsoft Bot Framework. Dialogflow is a user-friendly choice, especially for beginners. It uses natural language processing to understand and respond to user inputs, making your chatbot more conversational. It's equipped with machine learning capabilities, which means your chatbot can learn and grow smarter over time. On the other hand, Microsoft Bot Framework is a comprehensive offering that allows you to build, test, deploy, and manage intelligent bots all in one place. It supports multiple languages and integrates seamlessly with various Microsoft services. This could be your go-to if you're looking for a more enterprise-level solution. Now let's break down the basic steps involved in creating a chatbot. Firstly, you need to set up intents. Intents are the purposes or goals that your chatbot can fulfill. For example, an intent could be to book a flight, order food, or answer a query. Each intent is associated with a set of expressions that users might say to convey their intent. Next, we have entities. These are specific pieces of information that your chatbot needs to fulfill an intent. For instance, if the intent is to book a flight, the entities could be the destination, date, and time of the flight. Once you've set up intents and entities, it's time to train your bot. This is where machine learning comes in. By feeding your bot with different examples and scenarios, it learns how to respond accurately to user inputs. The final step is deploying your chatbot. Depending on your chosen platform, you can integrate your bot with various channels like websites, apps, social media platforms, or even messaging apps. Now, it's important to note that creating an AI chatbot is not a one-time process, it's iterative. You need to continuously monitor the performance of your bot, collect feedback, and make improvements. This way, your bot can evolve and provide a better experience for users. So that's a basic rundown of how you can create your own AI chatbot. It might seem complex, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time, patience, and a bit of trial and error. But with these steps and a little bit of curiosity, you have the power to create something truly remarkable. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own AI chatbot, but let's not stop here. Creating a chatbot is one thing, making it effective is another. As we journey into the world of AI chatbots, it's important to remember that the true value of a chatbot lies not just in its creation, but in its ongoing development and refinement. One of the key best practices in designing chatbots is to keep the conversation flow as natural as possible. The chatbot should ideally mimic human conversation to make users feel as if they're interacting with a real person. This involves considering the tone, language, and context in which the chatbot operates. Does your chatbot cater to a formal business audience or a casual, youthful crowd? The language and tone should reflect this. Another crucial aspect is error handling. Let's face it, chatbots will encounter situations they're not programmed to handle. How they react can make or break the user experience. Instead of simply saying, "I don't understand," a well-designed chatbot will guide the user back to a point of understanding or provide alternative suggestions. Moreover, a chatbot is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. It's essential to constantly update and improve the bot based on user interactions. Analyze the conversations, identify common questions or issues, and refine your chatbot to better address these. This is the beauty of AI chatbots, their ability to learn and improve over time. Now let's talk about deployment. A successful chatbot is one that's easily accessible to users. This means integrating your chatbot into platforms where your users are already present, whether that's on your website, your app, or popular messaging platforms. Make it easy for users to find and interact with your chatbot. Finally, remember the importance of testing. Before full deployment, conduct thorough testing to identify and fix any issues. This will ensure a smoother user experience when your chatbot goes live. Remember, a well-designed chatbot can significantly enhance your customer service experience. So keep these best practices in mind, and you'll be well on your way to creating an effective, user-friendly AI chatbot. AI chatbots have truly transformed the way businesses interact with their customers. Today, we took a deep dive into this fascinating technology, exploring its workings and even guiding you on how to create your own AI chatbot. We discovered that these ingenious tools use the power of artificial intelligence to simulate human conversation, providing an efficient, personal touch to customer service. We also highlighted the immense potential of AI chatbots, not just as a customer service tool, but as a driving force in marketing, sales, and numerous other sectors. The future of AI chatbots is bright, and by creating your own, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, but actively shaping the future of business interaction. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI chatbots. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Intelligent Tech Agency for more tech insights.